Really?
Yeah, in the hole.
Wow.
Because it's milky again. Oh, wait, hold up. Let's tighten in, I think. Let's loosen it. Stop. Made some come out the bottom. You're making it drip on me.
Ooh, look at there.
That's pretty. That's pretty oily, if you ask me.
It's got a washer on it.
That's really
On
really
that?
oily.
When I tried to tighten it the other day, it just
And the oil's warm.
I wonder why.
Okay, just run.
I don't have much chocolate.